Get out your way. Take the hood off. I'm gonna start over. Just let me know when you're ready. Yeah, 'cause I'm thinking for real, I think you can use it. This I was talking about the Plenium right here. It's all like, or Plenum, whatever. But I'm saying it's all like one piece. It's like the whole thing in like one piece. That BBK I was talking about.
Yeah.
And shit. And it's bigger. And shit.
Is it bigger?
Yeah, the BBK one is. And shit. Hell yeah. Yeah. You think that crank, probably might go on my other motor?
I'm gonna check it. He said you gotta switch all that shit over though, didn't he?
No, he said you ain't gotta switch none of that over, but the only thing he's saying you switch over was the throttle body.
It's just a little different sensor system. Probably has a CTS on it. That might be why you want to switch it.
I don't know. Recording and stuff, so I can make me a DVD. Say what? I guess so.
Saturday, March 13th at 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. Look at you, driving around aimlessly, pretending that you're doing work just so you don't have to go back to the office. Or even worse, you're sitting in your cubicle, typing stuff down into a computer. Thanks, Dave.
Bank fund ways to pay you. Switch to USAA Bank. Open a free account at USAAbanking.com. Watch every live for the Chelsea Laser Eye Center Studios.
Motor swap. Taking the old motor out. Motor swap.
Go hold it?
Yeah.
normal, put pressure on it. No pressure on it? You push it up, jam it. Okay. Flying off, can't find them anymore. Alright. This is up the whole right here. Move this light. You need to grab it right here.
Grab on that side?
Yeah, you need to go over there, you need to go over here. Get up, sit on top. Be careful to lay down real easy. Sit on top. Be real careful. Don't move it around. Well, it's okay anyway, still.
Hey, let me change up out of this thing.
Huh?
Change up out my hoodie real quick.
Hey, the hoodie.
That was hoodie. Dude, that shit, that's free. I don't have that little hood heavy.
Top concept you don't need shit. You got cooler lines and power share lines that take off the front. You got a lot of shit there. All your connectors are broken. You saw it in the car wrap.
Yeah, that's why they tie wrap their shit. They probably broke them.
Well, plastic too. They should have got new connectors to put in there. They tell them.
Yeah, I think you might be able to use the ones off the other motor. Maybe.
I'm taking a little break. I'll be working. You know I'm doing shit. I'll get underneath this motherfucker here.